Hi, I'm Matthew Krupczak, and I'm joined here by my colleague, Dr. Robert Krupczak. We are Theta Informatics, LLC, and creators of the OpenAthena software. It allows any single pixel of any single drone image to be located precisely as a ground coordinate instantly and accurately. So we fundamentally solve the challenge of drones knowing where they are, but not being able to locate anything they're looking at. So with this software, it allows for applications such as search and rescue, public safety, or disaster recovery, being able to see something and locate it instantly from just a single drone image. So we're going to be out the next 2 weeks for a couple of trade shows, and we have some demos running live for attendees to try out. So this here is our OpenAthena software. We can see that from selecting just a single pixel of a single drone image, we hit one button and hit the button again, and we can send it instantly to our entire team as a precise ground coordinate. So say that's a stranded hiker that might need a helicopter evacuation. We can calculate that location much more quickly than traditional techniques and get it sent out to the people who need it. We also have OpenAthena Core on display here with a desktop app that provides that same capability as a PC app, and then for developers for their systems. And then we also have an example here on the right of where we're going with artificial intelligence object detection, where the computers can be trained to recognize objects of interest on their own without human intervention. So we're going to be out on August 28th in Chantilly, Virginia for the TIDE 2024 trade show, and also in September 4th and 5th for the Commercial UAV Expo in Vegas. We hope to see all of you there. This software is available as a free download on openathena.com for iOS and Android.